Move on to the next vocabulary word, which is to catch wind of something. And that is when you hear news through people talking. The wind is the part of the words. So when you catch wind of something, it's because someone told you some information. It's like gossip or a rumor. It's really used quite a bit with gossip or rumor because the way you hear it is through people talking. And a lot of times when people are talking, they exaggerate or they change little details. It becomes a rumor. But it could be true. It just means you heard it from someone. To catch wind of something. Let's use it in a sentence to see how it works. How would you ask someone, have you heard about the new TV show? Okay. Now, if you ask it like that, have you heard about the new TV show? You're asking, I don't know what the means are for receiving the information. Maybe you saw it on a website, or maybe you saw it on the news. But if we use catch wind of, it sounds like, did someone tell you about it? Did one of your friends tell you about it? So instead of have you heard of, we can say, have you caught wind of the new television show? Have you caught wind of? Have you caught winda? Have you caught wind of the? Have you caught wind of the new TV show? Have you caught wind of the new TV show? Have you caught wind of the? Have you caught wind of the? Have you caught wind of the new TV show? So asking it like that, it sounds like, did you hear about it from your friends? Whereas if you say, did you hear about the new TV show, or have you heard about the new TV show? That could be anything. Did you see it on a website? Did you read about it in the news? It could be anything. But when you say, have you caught wind of, it almost sounds, not exactly, but it almost sounds like, did your friends tell you about the new TV show? Okay, let's see. Wait a minute. I'm sorry, I'm just, because I've got all of these exercises prepared, but I'm half reading and half talking, so I've lost my place. Okay, so again, like if you ask someone, have you heard about the war? Have you heard about the war? If you ask it like that, it's almost like saying, are you watching the news? Or have you seen the newspaper? But if you want to make it sound like, have you been talking about this with your friends? Then you could use catch wind of. How would you do that if the question is about the war? Have you caught wind of the? Have you caught wind of the? Have you caught wind of the war? Have you caught wind of the war? What if there is a crime in your neighborhood? A serious crime happened in your neighborhood, and you want to ask one of your neighbors, oh, did anyone tell you about this? So it's more not like, did you hear it on the news or did you read about it on the internet, but have you been talking with your friends about this? Did they tell you? You would say, have you? Have you caught wind of? Have you caught wind of the crime? Have you caught wind of the crime? What if Lisa got a promotion and you want to ask if you read the official email going around to everyone? Maybe you would say, did you hear the news? Or have you heard? Have you heard about Lisa's promotion? Have you heard about Lisa's promotion? But what if we want to ask more like, did anyone tell you? Like maybe it's not official. Maybe they haven't announced it yet. How would you say that to mean, how would you ask that question meaning, did your friends tell you about it? Did your coworkers tell you about it? Not, did you read the official email? Have you caught wind of? Have you caught wind of her promotion? Okay. All right, let's move on to another vocabulary